Look at bone. We had a little push up here to almost 97 cents today. Right? We've had a low of 0.9142, and right now we are up 1.5% at 93 cents, 0.9335. So, all right, let's go over here to this is CoinGecko. I'm going to take a look at the market cap, 215 million. 24-hour trading volume, about 3.3 million roughly. If you go down here, even have the TBL on here, total value locked 22.7 million. Circulating supply 229 million. I've said this before, that's actually very low circulating supply. You know, you almost have a perfect match with the market cap and everything there with the circulating supply, which is pretty awesome. But anyway, let's go down through here. I was looking at the all-time highs and all-time lows on here because I don't use CoinGecko a whole lot, but they have the all-time high listed at 1550 about 2 years ago. That was quite honestly, I thought it was like 40 some dollars, but you know, I could be wrong. Market cap rank is number 144, and let's see here, 24-hour low on here, 24-hour high. Let's get down through here real quick. I want to see which ones, which exchanges are bringing in the most volume here. Can you pull that up on here? 24-hour volume. Yeah, there we go. By economy, 708,000, and Shibaswap, there we go. That's what I want to see. Number 2 on here for volume, 195,000. That's what you want to see. You want to see Shibaswap at the top here eventually, which bringing in the most volume. You want to see Shibaswap up there is number 1. All right, you got a little. Here's speaking of Shibaswap, I went over here just to check the site out once again, and you connect on the white paper and stuff. If you haven't checked this out yet, go over and check Shibaswap out. They have the TVL at 18.4 million. All right, over here it said TVL. Of course, that's on Shibaswap, but TVL 22.7. This is for Bone, though, I guess. All right, but you can go over there and check it out. Got a pretty cool setup here with go over there, connect your wallet right here, and use Shibaswap. Especially if you own Bone, you want to support this platform, obviously. So go check it out, guys, if you haven't yet, please. All right. Over here, Shibarium transactions exceed 1.5 million, while almost 100 million SHIB get burned. Shibarium continues to take new highs. The SHIB army has increased the daily burn rate. It says here, a Shibarium Layer 2 solution built by Shiba Inu devs on Ethereum has reached a new major high as its total count of daily transactions has surged to 1.5 million within the last few days. Daily transactions has surged to 1.5 million daily. The number of blocks that have been mined totals 539,000 per Shibarium scan. The amount of connected wallet addresses has not been showing such prompt growth, and so far remains on the 1.1 million level. In the past 24 hours, there have been a total of 79 million SHIB tokens burned and 14 transactions. Visit Shibarium.com to view the overall total of SHIB burned. We go back over here. Where would that be? It's Wolf, Doggy, Dow, NFTs, Dig, Swap. Here's the burn. Oh, right here, burn portal. Just check it out real quick. Total burnt. Billion trillion. That'd be 76,000, 76 million, 76 billion. 76 billion, it looks like. So you can go over there and connect your wallet and burn some SHIB, so that obviously helps out the whole network. Alright, so we go down through here. The largest chunks of SHIB meme coins that have been burned carried 20 million 14 million and 10 million. On Friday, the burn rate percentage went up nearly as high as 65%. So that's pretty good, man. We've got some pretty good stuff going on with Shibarium. Seems to be working out very well. Here's the crypto bubbles. And if you haven't yet, please hit like and subscribe, guys, and consider go signing up for a level 3 membership. You can do that in the description of the video. You can get my trading videos. There's 12 of them out there now. Learn how to trade. 12 videos for $14.99. That's almost $1 a video. All right, so there's probably 6 hours worth of content in there that you can watch. Very, very well worth your money. Believe me, at the end of the month, it's going back up to 25, and I'm going to leave it there until I complete my video package here, which I hope to have about 25 videos, and I'm going to list that for $100, and I'm just going to leave it there. I'm probably going to sell it off of YouTube, though. Found a pretty decent platform to list it. So if you're interested, go check it out. Believe me, if you don't know much about trend lines, resistance, support, the whole deal, using Fibonacci's, spotting trends, market breakouts, pullbacks, all that stuff, for $15 you can't go wrong. All right, so let's move on here. Let's get over here to this chart. All right, first off, we're not going to click on these, but we're going to look. Bitcoin is down $42 for the day. And that Dixie, that thing keeps popping here. We need that to head the other way. I don't want to see it plummet, obviously, but as it goes down, crypto goes up. So gold is down $1. And if we go over, the total crypto market cap is down $1 billion, and the total without Bitcoin is down to 315. So, all right, let's get into this chart. Let's open this up. Take a look here. Had a little bit of a bounce today. All right, if we go in here on the 4 hour, you can see that. I was starting to really wonder here this morning. Did we hit a bottom here? And is this the start of the rally up? If you look at the RSI is telling a different story. That 4 hour has flipped bearish, and it looks like it is starting to pull back down here. We have the 8 hour moving up extremely fast. Okay, it's up at an 87 and a 59 already. Yesterday it was way down at the oversold, way down here. Look, September 8th, Friday, September 8th, it was way down here. Look how fast that's moved up. All right, so obviously with that moving up fast means this correction isn't over yet. We're starting to pull back down again. The 12 hour is at a 47 and a 24. Just yesterday it was flat at the bottom here. All right, it's at a 47 already. It's already halfway up, then a 24. I'm expecting that to start to curve over. The daily is at a 2.7 and a 0.9. All right, if we take a look here, that thing, whoops, what the heck did I do there? Well, let's see if we can remove that. Definitely did not want that to happen. All right, so let's see if we can get that off here. Let's hit back. There we go. All right. That is definitely what I didn't want to start this video all over again. But you can see that spike up in price. I actually had some volume come in too. 287,000 bone were bought here today. I think people thought this rally was starting. I don't believe it is. Got the 1 hour. The 1 hour is moving down pretty hard. It's at a 3 and an 18. All right, so if we go back out here to that daily, we're still expecting this one final push down here before this rally starts. 87 cents, 87, 91. So far we've brought it down to 90 roughly, so we're 3 cents off here. We need this to come down into our price level here we're looking for, obviously between 80 and 87 cents. It could come down to the high 70s. It could. I don't think it's going to. I think we're going to be lucky if it gets down to the 83 cents. The reason is, it's all oversold. Is this, the daily? If you go back to the 12, okay, it's moving up fairly fast on the stochastic, but the regular RSI is only at a 27 still down at the bottom. The 8 is at an 89 on the stochastic, at a 28 down here, still right on that oversold line. And that 4 hour, obviously here is turning bearish again. It's at a 36 on the bottom down here, so still very, very near the bottom down here, but it works. Like I said, we're expecting that final push down here, so hopefully over the weekend we get it here, especially with the 4 already flipping bearish, the 8 almost at the top already, and that 12, that thing is probably going to start curving over now, something like this. I would imagine, start curving back over and back down. So maybe by the end of the weekend here, we'll have this this correction completed. That would be nice if as soon as it breaks that, call it 90 cents. As soon as it breaks that 90 cents and starts hitting them 80s, anywhere down through there is a good entry, I would imagine. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. But as soon as it, like I said, it breaks that 90 cents, if it does, we're expecting it to. Nothing is guaranteed whatsoever. That's just the facts of crypto. Technical analysis gives us an idea of what could happen, but nothing is guaranteed. All right, so we're doing our very best here. We've been watching this since. Since this thing was way up here in the $20s, we've been calling for these lower prices. So it's been working out so far. We need this one final push to finish this up, and I would be looking for a massive bounce when this thing starts going. All right, guys. Thank you so very, very much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.